In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and annotate a PDF in Goodnotes for web. We're going to walk through the full process from getting into your account and importing a file, all the way to marking up the document, adding text and media, and cleaning everything up with editing tools. If you're new to Goodnotes for web, don't worry. This workflow is very approachable, and once you know where the main tools are, it becomes much faster and more intuitive. To get started, open your web browser and go to Goodnotes for web. Once the page loads, sign into your profile using the sign-in option you normally use, such as Apple, Google, or Microsoft. After you're logged in, you'll land in your document library. This is the main hub where your notebooks, imports, and other files live. From here, click the plus new button. A small menu will appear, and in that menu, choose Import. This tells Goodnotes that you want to bring in an existing file rather than start a blank notebook. Next, locate your PDF from your computer or your connected cloud storage, select it, and press Open. Depending on the file size and your connection speed, it may take a few moments to upload. Once it finishes, you should see the PDF appear as a tile in your library. Now click on that uploaded PDF tile to open it in the note-taking screen. This is where you'll do all of your reading, writing, and organizing. If you're working with more than one PDF at a time, look toward the upper document tab bar. Goodnotes lets you keep multiple documents open in tabs, which makes switching between files much easier. That can be especially helpful if you're comparing lecture slides, reference sheets, or separate reading materials side by side in your workflow. You'll also notice some tools designed for more focused study and markup. The digital ruler can help you measure or guide straight lines with more precision, which is useful when you want clean annotations. There's also a tape tool which can hide text temporarily. That's a helpful feature for active recall, since you can cover part of the page and test yourself before revealing the answer. When you're ready to write directly on the PDF, click the pen tool. This is your main annotation tool for handwriting or freeform notes. You can adjust the stroke thickness to fit your style, and you can also switch between pen styles, such as a ballpoint option, depending on the look you want. If you prefer a more sketch-like feel or need visual variety in your notes, spending a moment adjusting the writing style can make the page easier to review later. For highlighting important material, select the highlighter tool. Then drag across the text you want to emphasize. One useful detail here is that the highlighter color is translucent and snaps behind the PDF text lines, helping the words stay easy to read. That means your highlights look neat and don't overwhelm the document. If you want to add diagrams, emphasis marks, or clean visual callouts, use the Shapes tool. You can draw a rough circle, square, or line, and Goodnotes will automatically convert it into a more polished, geometric shape. This is great for making your notes look organized without needing perfect hand control. To add typed notes, click the text box tool, and then click anywhere on the page where you want the text to appear. You can type directly into the box and adjust things like the font, size, and borders. Typed text is useful when you want a cleaner look or need notes that are especially easy to scan. You can also use the Elements tool to place saved signatures, stickers, or animated images onto the page. There's even an integrated search for GIF-style content, which can be useful if you're creating more visual or expressive study materials. If you need to move or modify something later, choose the Lasso tool. Circle any handwriting, typed text, or drawings, and then drag, resize, or duplicate the selection. This is one of the most useful tools for reorganizing a crowded page without starting over. For mistakes, switch to the Eraser tool. You can customize it so it removes only certain layers, such as ink, while leaving shapes untouched. That gives you more control and helps prevent accidental edits. Finally, if you want extra assistance, tap the AI button. Goodnotes AI can help reflow hand-drawn notes, align messy elements, or generate ideas when you're building out your page. And that's the full process for importing and annotating a PDF in Goodnotes for web. Once you've used these tools a few times, the workflow becomes quick, flexible, and very efficient.